Hi, my name is Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks in Mac OS Monterey. Some you may know and others may be new to you. Let's get started. So do you know what all these icons up here are for? Or do you remember what they are? Or some of these here? Well, here it's much easier, but here at the top and the menu bar here, it's not that easy. So if you hold on the command key and hover over any one of these, it will tell you what it is. So that's the time, Siri, see, control center. It gives you a lot of information here. So you just hover over each of them and you know what it is for. And you can do the same thing over here. Anywhere you go, you can do it right here and down in the bottom here on Launchpad. See, it's much bigger, easier for you to see, especially if you're visually impaired like myself. It's much easier for you. You can go onto the folders. Everything here is just shown right there. If you don't like the way your icons are shown in this menu bar here, you want to rearrange them. Hold on command, then grab it and just move it, any one of them, just move them around. You can just grab them and rearrange them the way you want it. Just drag and drop. So you have multiple windows open and you want to see your desktop. You want to get probably a quick view of your desktop. Press function, F11. You can look at your desktop, do whatever you need to do. Function, F11, and your windows are back. A quick way to get a Spotlight search is command spacebar. When you're in Spotlight search, you can do some calculations and conversions. So 234 plus 876 is 1110. Also, you can do, say for example, 45 degrees Celsius is equal to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. It actually defaults to what it thinks that you're trying to get. So again, say 500 centimeter is equal to 5 meters. And it just defaults to whatever it thinks that you're trying to get. So while in Spotlight search, you can do a speed test. So if you type in terminal, you go to terminal and type in network quality space -s, you can do a speed test without visiting any website or installing any software. So mine is running right now. If you look right here, you'll see my download speed is running. I have a 300 meg connection and it's going to run this download, then move over to the upload. See, now running the upload. So my 300 by 300 is a 300 by 300 meg connection. So right now there are some devices in my household right now streaming, so it may vary for you. Right now it's done and it's 294 for the download speed and my upload is 305. I have an image or multiple images that are not in the correct orientation. So for example, these images, these two are not in the correct orientation. So what you can do, so let me open them just so you see they're not in the correct orientation. You can rotate them in the folder they're in, or you can actually open them and rotate them. But I'm just gonna select both of them at the same time. Command R, change the rotation. So now if I look at this one, it's now back in the correct orientation. So all you have to do is Command R, see, it turns, Command R, Command R, Command R, until it gets to the orientation you want. And that also works for videos. So I have this screen recording here. If I go Command R, it's the rotation change, Command R, turns again. So it works for all videos, also. See, it's upside down. So that works for both videos and images. Just select it, Command and then Command R, and you can fix it. So for the clock, we're gonna remove the clock from the menu here. So we're gonna remove this clock up here. So let's go to here, System Preferences. Then we're gonna dock a menu bar. And right here, you're gonna scroll down select clock on the left and pay attention to the clock up here. Show day of the week, so Sunday will disappear. Show date, the date will disappear. And you can actually go with the analog or digital clock. So with the analog, this is what it looks like right here. I hope you see it. For digital, you can actually remove the AM and PM. So you can just have just the time. If you're on a website or in any app, you can get the definition of a word by simply putting your mouse over the word, hitting Command Control D. You get the dictionary up and you can see the definition of the word. You can also hover over a word, hit Control and then left click, look up. There's the definition of the word again. Also, you can go to Spotlight. So you can hit Command Spacebar for Spotlight. Then you can type in a word, say skills. Then you hit Command D, skills, it comes up in the dictionary. All right, another way to get it is going back to Spotlight and type in the word. Then you hit Command L and it will open the word inside of Spotlight. If you find any of this useful, please like, subscribe or share and comment. Tell me about which ones you knew about and which ones you didn't know about.